Okay, I think it's rolling. Yeah. Okay. I'm about to go freak my ass out just to make you guys a video. So, okay, let's get going. Come on, Piggy. Hold still. Okay, we gotta go get the sled. We gotta get the sled. Smells like dog down here. Come on. Please don't pull. I know, you're excited. You're excited, aren't you? Yeah. Sorry. Just trying to get the leashes all situated. Yeah. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay. Got the first door open. Boom. No, don't pull. Don't pull. Peggy! You ready to go sledding, girl? Come on. No, I said don't pull. Come on, we're going up here. If I don't fall. Okay. Come on, Peggy. Peggy! Shit! No! Peggy Poo! Come here, Peggy! Come here, Peggy! Peggy! Peggy, come here! Peggy! Peggy Poo! Peggy! 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 Peggy Poo! Peggy! What are you doing? Come down here! Bitch! Get back here! Come here! Come here! Peggy! Peggy, come here! Come here! Hi! 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 You're stepping on me. It hurts. Ow! That hurts. That hurts. Ow! I think I'm gonna go cry to my mommy now. No, just kidding. My mom's not here right now. Thank you, Pooh. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do that again, little fat dog. What do you got? What do you got? It is foggy as fuck out here. Beep. Beep. Damn it! And I have just sunk into the snow. Today is just not my day. Peggy! You bitch! Get back here! Over here! Over here, Peggy! Hold on, I gotta set this down. It's gonna be black for a while. Or blue. It's gonna be blue for a while. Peggy! Come on, Peggy! Don't do what? Peggy, come on. Come on. Come on up. Come on. Come on, Peggy. Come on, Peggy. Come on in, Peggy. Get over here, Peggy. Come on. Come on, Peggy. Come on, Peggy.
I need to kill my dog.
Here we are. Me and Peggy going sledding down the hill. And so far we're going nowhere. Woo! Peggy made it! I think she's scared. You want to try, Wayne?
Yeah.
Okay, can you come help me get her off? Yeah, get her off me. You got her, Mr. Dinosaur Pants?
Yeah. Come on. Run.
Let me get... You can't even handle your own dog. Yeah, my little brother's getting pulled around by his puggle. That's just sad. We're going sledding one last time. I just saw a bird.
What?
Sorry, people, I get very distracted. Wayne, get up here. Wayne, get up here. Wayne, I got your dog. Just get up here. Wayne, get up here. I'll bring your dog up. Just get up here and sit on the sled. Wayne, come sit on the sled. Wayne, come sit on the sled. I have your dog. Sit on the sled.
It's freezing.
Sit on the sled. Grab her leash. Drag her over. Now to get to put your feet out in front of you, both of them. Gotta make sure you hold on to her.
I got her.
With both hands. Hold on to her with both hands. Here. You may want to hold that. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Peggy, are you ready? Take that as a no. You're not. You may want to try sitting on the sled, Wayne.
Patty, get her. I don't want to run it.
Ah! I just fell down the hill and oh my god! Help!